Hey, this is Brent with Vintage Statements, and today, well, we have this ugly 6-drawer dresser that's actually going to look pretty amazing after we work on it for a little bit. So follow along as we sand it down, we take the hardware off, we get some paint on it, and we'll show you what this thing can really look like. Subscribe to our channel if you like. We've got plenty of projects ahead, and we've already done quite a few, so let's start on this one. Alright, step one is to get these handles off of these, get the drawers out, see what we're working with behind here, make sure all of our pieces are put together well, and, well, then we can start sanding. Alright, we begin sanding this piece. So you can see on the top here, it looks like they've painted it before. I don't know if I would call this painting or not. I think this is more like glob it on and try to get it white as fast as you can. We see this a lot with people buying projects or buying other people's projects and getting home, and then they get ruined pretty quick because people don't take their time. So we're going to try to fix this guy's problem. Get this thing sanded down a little bit, smooth it out, and then we'll paint it. We'll make it look correct, and we'll have a nice piece. So, my favorite part, sanding. Let's do it. Alright, we got this piece as clean as we can. What we're going to do now, we've wiped it down, we vacuumed it out. But we're going to use our Dixie Belle Savannah Mist paint. It's going to be pretty nice. It's going to look really good on this piece. So we'll shake it up a little bit. We're also going to use Dixie Belle's Belle brush and their chip brush. As you can see, I've used them quite a bit, and they're still working really well, so we'll keep using them. Alright, let's begin. We'll start with the drawers. Alright, we've got it painted. Arizona heat, dries really quick, which is nice because we can now start using our Dixie Belle clear coat. We're going to use our chip brush, we're going to lather it on, watch it dry, and then we can get some handles on this.
Vintage Statements, just coming in just to show off the final piece. It's a beautiful 6-drawer dresser, painted with the Dixie Belle Savannah Mist. Brant was out here working. We've got kids out here playing in the water. I wish I was with the kids instead of showing you this beautiful dresser, but it'd be awesome for any room. It'd be a great statement piece. Check us out on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Subscribe to our channel and let us know what you think of all of our projects. Thanks so much.